Okay, sorry about that. Okay, back to our session. Let's continue. Mag-open cam na ulit kayong lahat dahil importante na makita ko yung mga mukha nyo. Okay. So again, as I mentioned a while ago, to be fair to everyone who have not played this game, I will be the one that will provide the three statements about myself. And you need to guess which one is the lie. Okay? So I have not introduced myself yet officially. So my name is Gino Ras. Okay? And 7 letters lang yung first and last name ko. So I hope you won't forget that when you are looking for me about your grade. Diba? Pupunta kayo sa office. So yun sino hinahanap mo? Ah, si ano po? Yung matangkad po, yung ano, mataba, malaki yung chan. Yeah. So my name is Gino Raz. And the three statements about myself is, okay, this is it. You need to guess which one is the lie. So I'll provide three statements. So if you think that the second statement is the lie, so type nyo lang two sa chat box. If one, one. If three, three, etc. So ganun lang. Okay, so first statement. I'm a licensed scuba diver. Second statement. Tourism management is my course in college. And third statement. I live in a condo unit. So again, First statement, licensed scuba diver. Second, tourism management is my course in college. And lastly is I live in a condo unit. I'm currently living in a condo. Ganun. So, type in the chat box which do you think is the lie out of those three statements. Ganun lang. Okay, so start. Okay, so yan, ganyan. Yan, ganyan lang yung mechanics. And I want everyone to participate. Kasi pag hindi ka nag-participate, i-extract ko yung chat transcript ng Zoom recording na to. Then isang control F ko lang. Pag na-figure out ko na hindi ka nagpa-participate, you will have -5 on our first quiz. Okay, so for example, sample lang to si Jerome. Okay, mga 2 beses lang siya nag-vote out of those 40 sa mga classmates mo. Then, yung mga hindi talaga nagpa-participate, sila may mga minus. So, everyone should participate. Okay, so there, pag nakaboto na lahat, close ko yung chat transcript ng ganyan. Then, saka na i-announce ng estudyante kung ano doon yung lie. So, ang lie doon is yung first statement. Okay, the scuba diver, licensed scuba diver. Kasi ano lang, para hindi pa siya natutupad. So, ganun lang ang ating simple mechanics. And as mentioned, we can have as many winners as we can in this activity. Okay, so let's start with anyone who wants to volunteer. And then I'll call the first one. Okay, so si Jello ang una. Then ang magiging sistema natin, after ni Jello, si Jello yung tatawag ng next. And so on and so forth. So, ganun lang. Okay, hanggang matapos tayong lahat. Kasi ano pa naman to marami naman tayong oras. And ito yung unang araw. So, I hope you won't find this activity boring kasi it's necessary for us to get to know each other. So, kahit almost more than 2 years na kayo magkakasama, may mga bagay pa rin hindi ka alam sa isa't isa. Okay, so go ahead, Jello.
Sir, excuse po. Wait lang po dyan.
Yeah.
Sir, may question lang po. Paano po magiging winner? Na-confuse lang po. Kasi paano po? Nag-type po lahat ng 100. Sige, sir. Thank you po.
I-announce ko at the end of the day kung sino yung winner.
Okay.
So,
Thank you, sir.
don't worry about the winner. Ako mag-announce. Okay, so go ahead, Jello.
So hello po, good afternoon. Am I audible po? Rinig po ako.
Yes.
Ayan, so good afternoon everyone. I am Mark Angel M. Domingo. So for my three statement, my first statement is I am the founder and CEO of a company called Trendverse. For my second statement is that I also own a laundry business near Manila. And um my third statement is I just bought a new iPhone 13 Pro Max fully paid. Ayun po.
So, yan. That's how you vote.
Guys, di sila naniniwala.
They just need to vote. So, don't take it personally. So, for example, tatlong achievement yung nilagay mo. Then, nagboto sila sa isang achievement mo na di sila naniniwala. Well, they just have to vote. Okay, so don't take it personally. Alam mo, di sila bumoto, hindi nagkamayo sila sa quiz. Okay, so going once, going twice, and close. So you can now spill the tea.
So, so for the lie po, I don't have an iPhone 13 Pro Max po. Ayun po, thank you po.
Okay, so there. So who's the next one, Jello?
So for the next one po, I would like to call um Miss Belgia po. Diana Belgia.
Good afternoon po everyone. I'm Diana. And yung first statement is, I am a left-handed person. Second statement, currently enrolled po ako sa TESDA. Course ko is System Services. And last statement, marunong ako mag-bike.
Okay, so let's start moving. Going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. Okay. So what's the lie there, Leon?
The lie po is, yung second statement, enrolled po ako sa TESDA pero hindi computer. Cookery po yung course ko.
Okay,
Thank you po.
Hold the next one.
Next one po is, I'm calling Althea Grace Frias po.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Althea Grace Frias, but you can call me Thea. So my two truths in a lie is, first, nakapag top 20 ako sa